Hi 116, welcome back. Today, since it's such a beautiful day, I thought we'd make some chalk paint and do some beautiful chalk art outside. Please remember before you go outside to always put sunscreen on, and if you listen really closely you can hear my chickens in the background. There's one right now. So before we get started, I want us to do what we need to do our activity. So we're going to need some paintbrushes, a hammer, and a cloth. This is for mommy and daddy's only, okay? Some tape, some broken pieces of chalk, and a little cups or something to put them in to separate them. I'm using a muffin tin and 2 cups of water. 1 to pour into your chalk and 1 to clean your paintbrushes. So just to make your paint, grab your broken pieces of chalk and your towel and put your broken pieces of chalk in your towel, and then you're going to want to fold it over and have mommy and daddy do this. They're going to break it up for you. And it makes a nice little powder. And then you pour it back in your cup. And keep working on your other colors. Alright, next we're going to work on our design. What kind of design we want to make for our chalk art. Then when you're ready, pour your water into your chalk. You don't want that much water, just a little bit. And then you can get your paintbrush and mix it really well. So then you're going to get your paintbrush. You're just going to start painting. Alright, in a little bit we'll come see what it looks like. Alright, it looks like our chalk drawing's nice and dry. So let's take off the tape and see what we get. Wow, that's pretty cool, huh? I love all the different colors and the shapes we did. Alright, thank you 116 for joining me again today. I miss you guys. Please remember to wash your hands, don't touch your mouth, nose, and eyes, and listen to mommies and daddies. Bye, I miss you.